What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. We're here in Disneyland in California, and we are staying at the Disneyland Hotel. So we are going to do a resort and a room tour of this fabulous hotel here at Disneyland. This is on Disneyland property. You get a lot of great benefits, but I don't want to tell you, I want to show you. Let's go do this. All right, so here we are in the front of the hotel. I wish they had a sign. I'm surprised they don't have like a Disneyland Hotel sign in the front, but this is the Fantasy Tower. Let's go head inside. Okay, so this little entry area is covered, and we have Mickey and Minnie here to greet us on our way in. Here's the entrance. To the right is the convention center. If you're here for a convention, it's very quick and accessible. Head right in there. All right, so let's head in. When we checked in, we were greeted by an amazing guest. It was a great way to start the trip and the stay at the Disneyland Hotel. All right, let's go head inside. Welcome to the Disneyland Hotel. Let's head to the left first, as this is the check-in area over here, as well as guest services. So they have a very quick and easy check-in. You can also do mobile check-in if you would like to on your phone before you get here. Right down on the end here, they also have a little kid area where they have a TV and they are running the Disney cartoons, which is great if you want to plop your kid here and check in. And then they also have some free water, which is very nice. So yeah, here's the check-in area. You can sometimes find characters out here, which is really nice and fun and gets you in the Disney spirit. Also, I want to point out that these chairs right here are teacups. How cute is that? Love the theming. And the carpet is themed to It's a Small World. All right, so we're back right where we walked in. We're gonna head to the left first. We have elevators. These are if you're staying in this fantasy tower, you head up these elevators to get to the guest rooms. To the left is Small World Gifts and Sundries. So in here is your kind of convenience store. If you forget a bathing suit, you can get a bathing suit. You can buy a towel. You can buy all of your sun gear. They have water, they have sunscreen, they have sunglasses. They have some snacks. They have your toiletries in case you forget anything. They have a few souvenirs in here as well, like these bubble wands. So this is that convenience store. Now here are the elevators. And if we go straight to the right now, here is the main Fantasia gift shop. This is one of the entrances. The other entrances you can get through outside. So here is just your Disney store. They have a lot of Disney merch. Here is the Disneyland Hotel specific merchandise in the Fantasia gift shop. They got a shirt, this nice picture of like the old hotel vintage mug, a little dish. This is kind of cute, $15. A towel, another shirt, a robe, this mug, it's very like retro looking, an ornament, happiest day on earth, another shirt. I don't love the logo, to be totally honest. This is better, but it doesn't look too comfortable. It's $50. And this long sleeve. So here is the front where we just entered from. And if we go right at the Fantasia shop, I'll show you guys what's over here. They have a fuel rod station. You buy a fuel rod charger, you can swap it out there. All right, so over here, they have an ATM, a Chase ATM. Here are the conference rooms. And as I showed in front, this is how you can get to them. Here they are right here. There was a wedding going on, so they have events here. This is really cool, like a lot of history of Disneyland things, some old Disneyland 1989. Really cool, just if you have some time to take a look at this. All this vintage Disneyland merchandise and stuff. Pretty cool. So, if we carry on, we see some more history. Disneyland Hotel through the decades, the 50s and 60s, what it looked like. This hotel was the first Disneyland hotel. This is when they built the park in 1955. This was here. So it's pretty cool. Oh, they used to have a golf center. Wow, that's awesome. Look at these. Wow. These are really, really cool. There's more conference centers up there. Autopia. Through the decades, they have this little car you can photo op, and some history that they show. From 1955, this is an opening day attraction, sponsored by Honda. So that's when it opened. Wow, it looks different. There's no track back then. That's awesome. Oh, and then here's the track they put in. Very cool. All right, we got some restrooms. Steakhouse 55. I think this is just the lounge. And then here is an entrance to Goofy's Kitchen. All right, so now we are outside, as you can see, right in front of the Fantasy Tower. We're going to make our way around the resort now. So to start, let's go to the right. So to our right here, we have the Fantasia gift shop you can get to from outside. Here is the coffee house. This is open from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can mobile order this and get some breakfast and lunch type of items. We have some seating area out here. And here is the outside of Goofy's Kitchen, which we did eat at. Stay tuned for that vlog of Goofy's Kitchen. All right, so all of this is Goofy's Kitchen. Let's follow the path and continue on to this outside venture. Oh, look, you can see Chip through the window, or Dale, one of them. All right, I want to show you this view. This is a pretty good view of the slide. This is right outside of Goofy's Kitchen. Look how awesome this slide is. If you are a fan of going to pools when you're at hotels, this pool is amazing. Look at how fun this slide is. It's a monorail slide, so there are 2 different slides. 1, 2. All right, we just headed up these stairs, and here is this bridge. Wow, that chlorine smell is so strong. But here's the pool. So this is one separate pool right here. You can see it's really nice. Over here, have a little hot tub area. And then there's this pool, which I'm standing over right now. And on the other side of the bridge, it goes under the bridge and it comes out over here, which is cool. And then over here, we have that slide again. This is the new DVC tower they are building here at the Disneyland Hotel. So right now there's construction going on, but it looks like they're pretty far along, which is cool. So yeah, that's gonna be a really, really great tower here at the Disneyland Hotel. All right, let's continue on. Look at this fire, that's so nice. All right, here we have a tropical bar and grill where you can mobile order. This is kind of a quick service place. You can get some things to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So for breakfast, they have breakfast platters, pancakes, baked goods, kids meals. Lunch and dinner, you got burgers, island specials, kids meals. I actually got the chicken fingers from here. They were very good. And at the bar, it has specialty coffees, Dole Whip, offerings, and adult beverages. So what I did not eat here directly, but I did eat at Trader Sam's. And if you order food from Trader Sam's, it comes from here, which is good to know. That's what you're getting. And Trader Sam's uses this food because I will show you just where Trader Sam's is. Here is Trader Sam's. We have a nice patio seating area out here as well, with a fireplace. Now we will head around this way. So just to get a bearing of where we are, there's the dining, the quick service dining, Trader Sam's, Convention Center is all that way, what we just did. And this way is the Adventure Tower, Fantasy Tower, Downtown Disney, theme parks, and the Adventure Lawn. So we're gonna head this way. Before we head that way, I'm gonna show you guys the Frontier Tower. So here at the Disneyland Hotel, they have 3 towers and they're building 4. So you can stay in either one. We got lucky, actually. We're in the Fantasy Tower and I enjoy that because that's the main lobby tower and it has the gift shop underneath. It's pretty centrally located. This Frontier Tower is a little further. All right, so here's the Frontier Tower. There's nothing in here, but I'll just show you how it has a little lobby area. It doesn't have any like gift shops or food or anything, but just to show you guys what it looks like in case you're staying in this tower. What I really enjoy about this tower is this model of Big Thunder Mountain, because how awesome is that? So yeah, here is the Frontier Tower. They have some meeting rooms in here. They have a boardroom and of course your guest rooms. So this is a convention center hotel, so just to keep that in mind. That's why they have like a bunch of meeting rooms and stuff. There's some vending machines. Here's actually a pretty good map of the Disneyland Hotel. So here we are in the Frontier Tower. They have a little rose court garden here. This is the Adventure Lawn. This is where we just were by the pool. We were just on this bridge. Here's the dining, Trader Sam's, the little pool. Here's the Adventure Tower. This is the closest to Downtown Disney. And we're staying in the Fantasy Tower. That is where the lobby is and all of that good stuff. So yeah, the Frontier Tower is definitely the furthest. They also have a fitness center in here, which is pretty cool. All right, let's head out of this Frontier Tower. Okay, behind me is the Frontier Tower that we just came out of. Here's the Fantasy Tower, and we're gonna go right. There's not much over here, but just to show you this little gazebo. They're actually setting up for a wedding right now, which this is such a gorgeous wedding spot. I'm not gonna go in because I'm not invited, but you can see. Wow, so nice. Yeah, so there's a fairy tale wedding unfolding. That's so awesome. Congratulations to the happy couple. So we're not gonna go back there, but it's pretty much just that and a little lawn. Cool. Okay, so there's the gazebo right there. And then we're gonna head this way to the Adventure Tower, Fantasy Tower, Downtown Disney, and theme parks now. By the way, the Frontier Tower isn't too far, but it's definitely not the closest tower. So just didn't want to make it seem like it was so far away from the Downtown Disney area. Anyways, here's the pool again. And we are going to head into the Adventure Tower now. They have some meeting rooms in here as well. But yeah, this is pretty much it. And behind it, it has this little like courtyard area, and you can hear what's going on in Downtown Disney. So that's what I was wondering, because I was in Downtown Disney and I saw they had this Downtown Disney live stage, and I was like, wow, this tower right here probably hears all of that music, and I can definitely hear it loud and clear from here. I don't know about the rooms, but I definitely can hear it. You can get out right there. Okay, that's super close. You come out the back and you're even closer. That's awesome. You're even closer to the security line to get into Downtown Disney. All right, so that's good to know. Yeah, this tower is definitely the closest. So you want the closest, this is it. To be totally honest, this area reminds me of my academic buildings in college. Okay, sorry, I just have to say that. All right, we're headed out of the Adventure Tower now. And right in front of us right there is the Fantasy Tower again. So in the intersection of these two towers is the pathway to Downtown Disney. We currently have some construction going on, but normally you would just go under this Fantasia hat right here and head over to security. We're not going into Downtown Disney, but I'll show you guys what kind of the security looks like. So right here is where you come out of that Adventure Tower, which is really cool and very convenient. See, they're scanning in to get back into the gates of the hotel. So here we see monorail, Downtown Disney theme parks are all this way. Here it is, security, and then you get right into Downtown Disney, and you also get monorail access once you go through security. Right there is Paradise Pier Hotel, which is going to be a Pixar themed hotel soon. All right, so let's head back into Disneyland Hotel. I do want to say one thing about the monorail. So from my understanding, before I stayed here, I believed that the monorail was actually at the Disneyland Hotel. But I got here and I found out that it is not. So where the monorail is, it's actually in Downtown Disney. You have to go through security and then walk a little bit where you can get on and you can go right into Disneyland. It takes you right into Tomorrowland. But the way that it was advertised, or maybe I just misunderstood, was that the monorail was at the Disneyland Hotel. So just something to know, and don't be like me and think that it's gonna be, I thought it was like the Contemporary over in Walt Disney World or the Grand Floridian, where the monorail literally goes right from the hotel into the park. So now we're back right at the Fantasy Tower. Straight ahead is the Fantasia gift shop, right where we started from. All right, I think it's time to go up to our room. You guys, we are in Disneyland for the first time. We're at the Disneyland Hotel. You have to check this out. Come on in, come on. We have a regular room here in the Fantasy Tower, and I'm gonna show you guys around, so let's do this. All right, we are on the 4th floor, so right when you walk in to the right, we have this vanity coffee area. We have a Keurig. We have some Joffrey's French roast condiment kit, which has like cream and sugar in it. He has these lights and a mirror. Hello, that's me. And this little counter. In this closet is extra pillow and blankets. We have hangers, a safe, a luggage rack, ironing board, all of that good stuff. This closet right here. Then behind me is the bathroom area. So we go walk in, we have a full length body mirror, which is always nice. And then here's the vanity area, which is a sink, which is very nice. Got some tissues. I'm assuming it's a blow dryer. We have the H2O products, which are actually going to be retired, which is pretty sad. Look at these lamps with the Mickey hands. How awesome, with the Mickey detailing. And then also on the sink, these handles are Mickey shaped. How awesome is that? All right, so that's the sink area. Then directly behind me is the shower / tub, towel rack, clothes dryer thing, clothesline. And yep. And then once again, we have the Mickey detail on here, which is really cool. More H2O products. And then you guys know I love when the toilet is separate from the vanity area. So we do have that. And then in here we have a nice picture and more towels, and the toilet is separate in here. So that's the bathroom area. Now we're gonna head out and check out the room. So here's the room. To the left is a desk, the chair, and of course more Mickey. Little lamp, outlets, USB plugs. This is just a note saying that they are having some construction. They're building a DVC tower, so just be advised that between 8 and 5 they are going to be doing some construction, and also they're painting the outside of the resort as well. A little activity guide, another mirror. Oh, you can see behind me. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I'll get there. And then we have Resort TV. My first taste of Disneyland Resort TV. The park hours, the music. Oh, so good. Here we have a little vanity, and then this should be our fridge. Yeah, it's a nice size fridge, actually. Wow. And then we have an ice bucket and cups. We have a chair over here, another lamp. And then the floor, the carpet is fireworks. How nice is that? Here we have a 2-queen bedroom. They have a king bedroom you could get. They have suites you can get here. This hotel has 990 rooms available for you. And of course, the centerpiece of this amazing resort is the headboard. It lights up and it plays some music. So nice. And of course, these pillows, a dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. We have a picture of Walt walking out of Sleeping Beauty's castle. So nice. This is such a great room, and I'm so happy to stay here at Disneyland Hotel. Oh, I forgot to show the view. So here's the view. We didn't get a specific view room, but here's our view. We see the pool over there. So it's not bad. Pretty, can't complain, you know? And there's the parking lot, but yeah, it's great. Right outside of our door, we got lucky. We got the end room. So I bet if you go downstairs, it leads to the lobby, but we're on the 4th floor. We're right across from the ice and the vending machines. How cool is that? They have Coke. Oh, they even have a cans if you don't like bottles and water. All right, that does it for our resort and room tour here at the Disneyland Hotel. Overall, it was a very great place to stay. The convenience is most important to me, and getting to and from downtown Disney, Disneyland, Disney California Adventure so easily is amazing and a great benefit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Krystal Palace for more videos like this. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.